In the last video, we talked about diseases and how they develop over a long period of time. It became clear that all health complaints have a history and do not develop overnight. What looks like a small detail at first glance is actually of immense importance. It is an interesting phenomenon that people who come to our practice with an illness believe that their complaints will disappear within a month. Although these have taken decades to develop, after all, in most cases we are talking about a development period of over 30 years. It should therefore be clear that such a disease will not disappear overnight. It is much better to use the period of origin to get a feeling for what a realistic healing period looks like. In concrete terms, this means that a period of 6 to 12 months must be expected. During this time, you should avoid sport and other physically strenuous activities. As we work without injections or medication during therapy, the body needs time to heal. This is the only way the originally weak muscles can regain their strength and stabilize the joints again. Even if this period of time seems very long at first, it is relatively short compared to the period of origin. Unfortunately, we often find that as soon as the pain subsides after a few treatments, patients think they can carry on as before. But unfortunately, this is a fallacy. Just as it took time for the disease to develop, it also takes time for the body to regenerate. Therefore, a high degree of patience and perseverance is necessary in order not to hinder the body during the healing phase. So let's summarize. A cure usually takes 6 to 12 months with regular and adequate treatment. Of course, in normal cases, there is a very rapid improvement. But even if the pain subsides or even disappears completely, you should still wait until the healing period is complete. Otherwise, you run the risk of the body reverting to its normal state and the illness starting all over again. If you want to learn more about anatomy, you can visit our channel. Here, we try to give people basic knowledge about the human body. In this way, people have the opportunity to help themselves and others. We hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to seeing you again in the next installment.